Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw a modern house in a city using two-point perspective. Start by drawing a horizon line across the lower half of your page. On this line, parallel lines will look like they meet if they're going away from us. As this is in two-point perspective, draw two crosses for the two vanishing points, the points where parallel lines look like they meet when they're going away. And these two vanishing points need to be as far apart as they can, but they need to be on the horizon line. Now draw a vertical line on the right, and then draw two lines going all the way to the vanishing point on the right. Next, we can draw two more lines going to the left vanishing point. So this will become the corner of our building. Now draw a line on the left, a vertical line, and then another vertical line on the right of the original vertical line that we drew first of all. You can make these lines darker and erase the horizon line that goes through the block, as we want to make this block look solid. Now add another vertical line left of the first vertical line, and from this new line draw two lines to the right vanishing point. This is the start of the first building. Next, repeat this by drawing another vertical line on the right, and then two lines going towards the left vanishing point. And then one more vertical line. In this way we have, as it were, cut a block out of our main block. We can do this again and again to make a modern house, using the right and the left vanishing points to give a thickness to the edge of the block on the left. Vertical lines in this drawing will all stay vertical. For this drawing, I'm making up the shapes, designing a house as I go along. So for your drawing, I think it would be best if you did the same, using the vanishing points for all the lines that are going away from us. And then to think of it as this first block that we have sort of cutting into the block. So it's like a three-dimensional block that we've created using two-point perspective. And each time we add vertical lines and lines going to either the left or the right vanishing points, we're making smaller blocks in two-point perspective that can become parts of the building. But also, every time you make a block, you're sort of cutting into it. It's also creating a bit of empty space above or below or around it as well. So every time you draw another small shape within this block, you also create some space too. So in this drawing we're using our vanishing point for all of the lines apart from the vertical lines. In that way you can have quite a lot of freedom in your drawing and just make it up as you go along. I hope you enjoyed designing your own modernist house. Later in this drawing I will add some more buildings, I think, to the background, again using two-point perspective all the time throughout the drawing. If you'd like to learn more, please visit my website, Circle Line Art School. Thank you for watching this drawing, Circle Line Art School episode 353. Please click to subscribe for a new drawing every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time.